Hey, good afternoon. My name is Brian Hemmerly. I'm a local investor here in Louisville, Kentucky. I joined the tribe in June of 18. This is a long overdue video testimonial. Wholesale Inc. Literally has changed my life as far as from a mindset shift. If you're interested in joining the Wholesale Inc. Tribe, it's a community of great people. Highly recommend it. Only if you're going to take massive action. Only if you're going to not be afraid to make mistakes, because it's an investment, but it's an investment in yourself. That you need to take the action and responsibility if you join the program. But I cannot say enough good things about Tom Kroll and Cody Hofhine. I mean, just awesome people, and you will learn a lot from them. So if you want to reach out to me, anybody around the country, I'm happy to. It's Brian Hemmerly in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm on Facebook. Happy to answer any questions you have about the program and take action. Thanks.